Alright, Joel here, your roving reporter coming to you from Playa del Carmen. Alright, so what is a lavanderia? Lavanderia. Well, when checking into an Airbnb, it may or may not have washer and dryer. So if it does not have a washer and dryer, you're going to want to get your laundry done. So you go to a lavanderia or a little laundromat. So when I checked into the Casa Shambhala, the Airbnb, and my room is down there, I had a quick look at what was next door. Next door is a lavanderia, and here you just drop off your. Just dropped off my bag of dirty laundry. Of course, when I travel, I carry a laundry bag with me so that I can keep all my dirty laundry in one bag. Dropped it off here, and it's going to be 55 pesos to pick it up. So no need to waste my time doing laundry. 55 pesos. If you round up, 60. Divide by 2 is 30, and move the decimal point over, so it's just under $3 US to have your laundry service done. Alright, that's a lavanderia.